Hello YouTubers, today I'm just showing you my dog's drinking fountain, the Catmate. Okay, so as you can see it says Catmate there on the front. And inside this bit in here there is a motor which pumps the water up there and then runs down there back into the bottom. And then in here there's a filter, if I just turn it off a second. In there, as you can see, there's the filter. And if I just turn it up a bit there, look, there's the motor, you can see there, yeah. And it's clear water for your pets to drink because it's been filtered, and it's better for them because it's aerated. And it keeps it cleaner, so I have to clean it out about once a day with all my dogs, but that's no big problem. It's really easy to clean. So yeah, it's just pumping the water up in right now. So there you go, that's the Catmate pet water fountain. Bye.